I literally look like I'm in the middle of the jungle, but this is just my house. So I've been waiting to do this video for so long. I have been seeing this all over my feed, my YouTube channel, my Pinterest, my friends are wearing it, and I'm like feeling some huge FOMO. Today is going to be that day that I'm actually going to try to tie-dye my clothes for the very first time. I just bought a pack of 5 t-shirts and let's see if I can do this. So here's what you'll need, or at least what I got. Squeezy plastic thingies. I got 3 of them because I want to do 3 colors. Color pigments and some white acrylic to make it stick all together. White t-shirts. Also, I didn't realize how thin this was before I bought it. And some rubber bands. So this part was really fun, like just mixing the colors. I felt like I was 5 again. My inner child was so happy. I mixed the pink and the white together. And then you put in some water and you're gonna think that it's really not pigmented, but you can see that the color does show through. I had this old t-shirt that really helped me check the colors. Pastel blue was actually really cute to make, so I was very happy with this shade. And then my third color was yellow. As you see, I made all the primary colors, but I made them all pastel-y because the pigments I'm using are actually gouache, so I'm hoping the acrylic will make it all stick. So I'm done with the colors and I'm gonna start doing the t-shirts. I had only watched a couple of YouTube videos. Here is me trying my first attempt. I knew that I had to like scrunch everything up together, twist it, and then put an elastic band. And seriously, after doing this project, I really take my hat off for people who do this as a business because it is a lot of work and a lot of effort. Not everything comes out cute and it takes a lot of thought and planning. Okay, so here we go. Time to get a little bit messy and to see if this actually will work. And now for the big reveal. Let's see how this actually came out. So I went on Pinterest and it said if you do this spiral twisty thing that I am doing right here and then put some bands in this way, that you'll get a different kind of texture print thing. I'm literally trying to verbally tell you guys what was going through my mind. I also added more color because I realized it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be. And here I'm just literally going for it. Okay, moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Okay. Well, that was successful, so I guess I'm just gonna keep on twisting and dyeing and twisting and dyeing. I decided to keep this one all pink and I really like it. I think it's super cute and I just really like it as a crop top as well. The next one is blue, but I started doing like tiny little twists all over this t-shirt. Like in my brain, if I did these tiny little twists all the way around, it would create some sort of different pattern. Right now it just literally looks like cow's udders. Clearly I know what's going on in this video. What I meant to say is yellow. And I think I ended up putting way too much dye on this because the cotton just soaked it all through, that when I took it out, it just did not look cute. So here I am again, twisting. All I did in this video, by the way, is just twist and squeeze tie-dye. And this time I'm trying with a blue. It went green. I'm laughing, but I'm actually crying inside, okay? This is how it ended up looking like, okay? Chaos, not cute. So I do it again and again and again. Until I finally got this as a result, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad. It kind of reminds me of the Brazilian flag. On this next one, I'm following a tutorial that said to dampen your t-shirts before tie-dyeing. So here I am using my plant spritzer. This time, because I remembered I messed up previously, I tried to do the same thing that I did the very first time. I was really careful not to overdo it with the ink. I played it really safe, so afterwards I decided to try a new technique that I saw online. It's when you fold it horizontal and vertically, and then you put them all together and tie an elastic band and tie-dye that way. And so I tried the pink with the blue just because I thought the contrast would be really cute, kind of like a cotton candy feel. You see how like you get these vertical and horizontal lines? I know I didn't do it properly, but I kind of like it, it's really cute. And yeah, this has actually got to be one of my favorite t-shirts that I made in this whole entire video. I just really love the colors and I love the pattern of the t-shirt, it's super cute. And again, I'm gonna like crop everything. So you already know the drill. I started twisting. I really wish I had searched more techniques because literally this is the main technique that I did throughout the whole video. This time I really wanted to see how the yellow and the pink look together in combination. And then I just started making random like swirls in the middle of the t-shirt and just tie-dyeing those sections only, so I felt like it was a very controlled situation. And this is how it ended up looking, the t-shirt. I really like it. Okay, last but not least, this final one. I just went all out. I did again the same kind of twisting and I went with yellow, pink and blue, and I just really liked this combination as well. I think this is my second favorite t-shirt. And here it is, all in its glory. I really like it. I feel like a freaking unicorn in it. I don't know. Super cute, super sweet. So that's it for this video. What do you guys think? This is definitely my favorite. I think it's because of the way that I did fold it and I tried different tie-dyeing styles. I kind of wish I had done different tie-dye styles for the other ones as well. So maybe that's something I might do again in the future. I don't know. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Have you tie-dyed anything? So I'll see you in my next video.